We know that plants are important to all living things. They provide us with oxygen to breathe and are able to transfer energy from the sun. Plants can also be important to different people in different ways. Some people need plants to be able to do their jobs so that they can make money and buy the things that they need. Today, you will use your thinking skills to answer the question, how are plants important to different people? Your activity or learning task for today is first to read the descriptions of the people below, and for each one, think about how plants are important to them. You should also think about how they would be affected if they didn't have plants. Your first example is someone who builds wooden homes. How are plants important to them, or how are plants important to their job? Your second example is someone who owns a flower shop. Third example is a chef. And the final example is a traditional herbal medicine doctor. So a doctor that uses plants in order to help people and make sick people better. After you have thought about how plants are important to these different people, please log on to your Seesaw account and complete the Seesaw activity that has been assigned to you for today.